Hey guys, today we're going to be working on the lab scenario 1.2, and to start we're going to be configuring another controller. It'll be the local to work off the master we configured last week. So let's get started. As you'll remember, this initial setup, it'll be a little different with it being a local, but still it's very straightforward. Now we have to get the MAC address for the master that we configured last week. Then we don't have a redundant, and this is the address for the local. And yes. That's correct. And no. Let's accept the changes. Okay, now the controller's had a chance to reboot. Let's do a little configuration on the master. What we need to do, we need to configure a virtual routing table to work with the centralized licensing. So let's do that. The router ID can be whatever you need it to be. And for the IP, just again pick an IP that works with your scope. And that'll work. Okay, so now let's go to the controller page again. Centralize licenses and then enable that. Apply. Okay, so now we can go to the other controller now. Okay, so let's go to the configuration, centralize licenses. You see it's enabled. So the one way you can verify to see if the controller is accessing the licenses is you can go to information, and you'll see there's 2,000 licenses available. One way we can verify that the licenses are not also installed on the local controller, we can go see what licenses are on it. Oh. And there is 0 entries. So there's no licenses on the 620, which means they're pulling all of their licenses from the server, which is how we wanted it set up. Which works out great, which means we've finished this scenario, and thanks for your time.